Alright, let's get into another one. This is called Help Your Friends Escape the Volcano. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Well, there you have it, the volcano. Help your friends. The launcher comes with one car. Oh, it also takes batteries too. It also requires batteries, screwdrivers, so make sure you have an adult to help you if you're a kid. See what kind of batteries we take here. Now I'm gonna have to give me it. So it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries. But now that I put the 4 AA batteries, it'll be working now. Well, let's get some cars and give it a try. Alright, here we go. Car number 1. Car number 2, I don't know. Oh, spit it out. It spit it out. Car number 2. Oh, he's gonna stay there for that. Just for that. Try another car. Ready? Oh, man. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, go. Oh, it came back up. Wait, it wasn't went that way. Here we go. Oh, too fast. Too fast, too furious. Oh, damn. Oh, my car's going for a ride now. We gotta put on 1. 2 might be a little too. Now what's going on with this thing? It didn't open as a trap door. Oh, it has a trap door, so when they come around, it sends them out. Give it a shot. Everything's in frame. Here we go. Okay, that car didn't make it. That car didn't make it. Man, this launcher is fast. This sends him out there like a cannon. Oh, I see now. It's stopping if it don't make it right. Okay. You got it right here, right there. There we go. I figured it out. I done figured it out. Oh, here we go. Oh, I missed it. I gotta go like right now. I gotta wait and go snap. Oh, that was it. Oh, I missed it again. Here we go. There you go. Wait, pull that way. Come back to me. Alright guys, there you go. Thanks for watching.